In 12 on Health, doctors say this wet weather can be sickening, literally. They say it's not unusual for them to treat residents for respiratory issues when homes flood and mold spores move in.
Now, mold is known to wreak havoc on folks with mold allergy or an underlying respiratory issue like asthma.
Here's our 12 on Health reporter, Gillian Neff.
Guys, it is tough to get rid of as well. Doctors say simply wiping mold away with a damp sponge isn't going to take care of the problem. You'll need bleach or another chemical that kills mold. Plus, they say if mold is visible, chances are more mold is hidden. Another round of rain soaks southwestern Connecticut.
The ground is saturated. There is water that's kind of pushing up through people's foundations right now.
Bob Knight of Stamford-based RTK Environmental Group says if water gets in, get it out right away.
Mold loves to grow in this kind of an environment, especially a wet basement. It's the perfect environment. It likes cool, humid areas with a lot of cellulose material, so boxes, wallboard, carpeting, furniture.
You can see here how mold multiplies.
Take the pictures, get the water out, then contact your insurance adjuster.
Dr. Syed Reza of Norwalk-based occupational health care says some people get sick the moment they're exposed to a mold infestation.
Sneezing, wheezing, runny nose, itchy eyes, nasal congestion. Obviously headaches, fatigue. There are some people who can have allergic reactions to cause wheezing to an extent where they can't breathe, and that could lead to death.
Sump pumps are one of the most important tools in preventing flooding and mold in basements.
As for the outside of your home,
The top quarter of the house doesn't have gutters. This is actually problematic because the gutters actually pull the water away from the house and the foundation.
Bob Knight also says make sure you can hook that sump pump up to a generator if you lose power. And when it comes to mold testing, you probably want to use a company that doesn't also specialize in mold removal to avoid the obvious conflict of interest.